Good morning, everyone. Today I will start files, and I've already given a brief description of how a data file works in computer science. Today I will teach you how to open, close, read, write data in a file. In my previous lecture, I told you what is the need of a file. A file is used to store the result data, output data. Okay, that is the use of file, which is used to, a file is used to enter, save the output data, result data. Got it? So when you work for a file, you should know the basic some terms, that is how to open a file, how to close a file, how to read data, how to write data, how to add more data, that is append data, how to modify the data, and also how to delete a data. Okay, so for that I have already taught you there are two basic type of file in Python. One is your text file, and the second is your binary file. So we'll start with a text file, but before that I will teach you the basic things. So you write it now. A file manipulation requires the following tasks. A file manipulation requires following tasks. Number one, opening files. Number two, closing files. Reading data from files. Writing data to files. Appending data to files. Updating, modifying data of the file. Removing, deleting data of the file. First point will come now. Opening files. Opening files. In order to work with data file in Python, the file has to be opened in a particular mode, in a particular mode. Prototype. So for that I am sharing the screen now. Python ideally. Python ideally. Let's start now. Wait for a minute. Python ideally started. Okay. So for the syntax I am writing here only. What you have to write? We have to write a file obj. So file obj, any identifier basically equals to, then you have to write open. Then here you have to give a path slash file name dot extension. Then you have to give a mode. That is the syntax I am writing here. बुक में लिखा हुआ है फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट इज इक्वल्स टू ओपन फाइल नेम. So actually the file name के साथ we can give path, we can give a file name, also we can give extension ext मैंने लिखा है, that could be a text, that could be a dat, that could be a dbf, prg, whatever it is. Okay, and mode. So I'm going to explain the mode also after this. So when you have to open a file, you have to write in Python, you have to write a file object, that is an identifier. Open is a function name predefined. After that, you have to give a path name where the file is basically stored or where you are going to write the data. So that file is stored in that particular file, a particular path, and mode is the different types of modes such as reading mode, writing mode, adding mode, record mode, okay, reading and writing mode, etc. Okay, so straight away I am coming here, the different types of file modes, different types of file mode. Okay, so for that, what I am doing here, if you do that way, that will be better for you. I'll take here Excel. That will be better way of explaining. Here I'll write the text mode, text mode. Then here I'll write text mode के बाद then I'll write binary file mode. Is given in the book also, binary. But once I'm teaching you, if you are going with my notes, you will not face any problem. Binary file mode, binary file mode. Then next you need description, and that if you want to write something more, I'll write here more. So text mode mein, if I'm using here suppose R, that could be in a single quotes or double quotes. You know that in we can write any text in single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes. So visible to you? Otherwise make the font much bigger. Okay. थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर लेते हैं. Okay, R. So when you are using a text file, the mode will be R. When you are using the binary file, then it will be RB, read binary. And the description here is, you want to write, you write it, read. और मैंने slash binary कर दिया, तो binary RB means binary. But if you are using only text, then it is R for read only. So when it is RB, read binary. Understood? And this is the default mode. This is the default mode. Now what is the meaning of default mode here? Even you are not writing a mode here such as R or RB, then by default the file is considered, the file is opened in read mode only. Okay, next is your W. Please give a response. I am audible, and as well as you are able to view the things which I am writing on the screen. Any of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So WB, I love to take class where my student gives response. So next is your write. Okay, same way. Binary hai, then you have to write binary, and this is not the default mode. Then next comes here A. Then here it is A, B, that is append. Append means add more records. Add more records, or you simply say data. Add more records data. Okay. Then next comes here R, pay attention, R plus, and then here comes RB plus, then here meaning is read and write, binary है तो accordingly read and write. Understood? Next is your W plus, and here also WB plus. Not much difference, only first is write and then read. Write and read. So as per your convenience, you use R plus or W plus. Next is your A plus, AB plus. So that is again append and read. Now remember, append is nothing but writing mode. But what is the difference between, please note it down. When we open a file with W mode, it writes data from the beginning of the file. एक एग्जांपल मैं यहीं पे आपको समझा दूं कि ये एक फाइल बन रही है, अब इसका कोई नाम नहीं है, but I'll save and give as a.xls. So the beginning of the file is before T. यहाँ पर cursor, if it is visible, you see at T I am pointing the cursor. This is the beginning of the file and this is the end of the file. So these pointers are already defined when you create a file. So this is the beginning of the file and this is the end of the file. Okay. So when you use write mode, it writes data from the beginning of the file. That means if I have written so much data and I will open again in write mode, it will start writing from here, the beginning of the file, so that all other data are deleted. Basically हम इसको कहते हैं कि overwritten. So data हट जाता है, new data will come to that place. Suppose I have the information of 5 students with write, and next time I have entered 6, but the mode is W. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are deleted and the 6th record is written. Understood? To get rid of this problem, we Python programming provides you a different mode, that is A for append or add mode. So what append does, it puts the file object here last में, मतलब आप समझ जाओ in the beginning of at the end. ये हम assume कर रहे हैं, actually end यहाँ पर है, but I am assuming end is here. So next time when I type something that is added after read, append read, after that it is added, so that the previous data is also saved and as well as some more data or new data is added to it. Any query you please ask me. जल्दी पूछो तो मैं प्रोग्रामिंग करूंगा. These are the different file access mode. You call it as file access mode. Mode भी बोल दो simple. File access mode. That's a better word. File access mode. I have already explained everything, but if you have doubt, you can ask me. These are the different modes. So I'll minimize this, and here you have to write R, here you have to write A, here you have to write W, etc. Okay. अब आप यहाँ पर एक दो definition और लिख लीजिए. Then I'll start. First, I have told you the function opening of a file, है ना? तो open करने के लिए you have to open. Next, you write closing files. An open file is closed. An open file is closed. ये error है, मुझे पता है, क्योंकि कोई syntax proper syntax नहीं है. This is the grammar I have given you. how to write. So closing file means an open file is closed by calling the function close with its object name, such as my object is file obj. Identifier you can write in capital also, that's not a problem. But the key functions or keywords you have to write in small letters also, or as they are defined. File obj dot close. Files are automatically closed at the end of the program, but it's better to close the file by using close function. It is required, it is the reason behind is in case some unexpected error has come, then the file is not closed and there may be a chance of damaging data, and there may be a chance of damaging data. So what it does basically, in general, I'll explain. This is the definition you have to write in exam. Now, you know that whatever the processing we do in computer, it requires some location, some space. That's known as buffer area. It creates a buffer area for file also. The file data is allocated to that buffer, that location. Now that location is not properly closed, then it may cause problem. In order to close that location, we will write file obj.close, so the file is closed from that location. That's it, nothing else. Even you will not give by default when the program ends, the file is closed. But the better programming practice is, because what happens when we run the number of functions, तो हम function को close करते हैं, पूरे program को close नहीं करते हैं. एक function के बाद दूसरा function call करते हैं, तो actually that program is running in memory and that buffer space or location is already open. So it's better to close the file. Okay, so after that you come reading from text files. I will not teach you writing first, I'll teach you reading. Reading from text files. Python provides many functions, many read functions. या many के जगह रखो, एक तो था read line और read lines. हाँ, 3. Python provides 3 read functions to read from a data file. To read from a data file. Number 1, read, R-E-A-D. R-E-A-D, read. File obj.read, syntax में यही लिखेंगे. Please write syntax first. File obj.read. After that, round bracket, and then you have to, you can give, see I am writing here n. N, I'll write also clear, n bytes. Or when the square bracket is given, that means optional, even you don't give, it works. So n bytes means I will explain. So first grammar you have written, file obj.read n bytes. Now you write the definition of it, more detail. It reads at most n bytes It reads at most n bytes. If n is not specified, it will read entire file. It will read entire file. Okay? अब मैं आपको एक प्रोग्रामिंग एग्जांपल ले लूं, अदरवाइज थ्योरी में ही सारा टाइम निकल जाएगा. So for that, what I am doing, see the power of Python language. Python के अपने बहुत सारे एडवांटेज हैं जो मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूं कि आप इसका पावर देखना. So I am going to write a program for you, but before that, what I am going to do, just see, I am opening Notepad. बाद में मैं आपको एक्सेल भी सिखा दूंगा, एक्सेल में भी करना है. Notepad, and in Notepad I am typing some text. St. Paul's Senior Secondary School is a co-ed, ठीक है, is a co-ed school run by Diocesan Society, Ajmer, okay, in Kota city. It has 2 branches, and you keep on writing. Okay, so 3 lines I have written, and I will save this file. Save as. The file is created in Notepad, and the location I am giving here as suppose D, and I am writing it as A या Saint, नाम याद रहे, .txt. Caps small का you just take care. If you want in small, it's better you give in small. Saint.txt, and I will save this. Where it is saved, path you should know. So I will save this. Save. Saint.txt, you don't have permission to save in this location. Okay. E में कर देते हैं. Save. एक्चुअली विंडोज 10 मैंने कर रखी है और उसमें परमिशन मैं नहीं चाहता कि वो खराब करे वहां पे लोग आके. Send.txt save. So after that, आप चाहो तो इसको बंद कर दो, मिनिमाइज में कर रहा हूँ, and I will open Python again and file new. Okay, and what I will do here, just see, I am writing the object name as rf. Normally my habit is this way, rf means read file, and I will write open. Okay, and then I will take the text. Where is the text stored? The path is no.
सर शायद म्यूट हो गया.
Okay,
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आवाज नहीं आ रही. I am audible.
सर अब आ गई. वो एक्चुअली बीच में हल्का सा कनेक्शन ग्लिच हो गया था.
Actually, from my side, our network is very powerful. Maybe problem from your side. All of you, please pay attention. I am audible. Lavish, Sachet, Akshad, please give response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is no problem.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, Sanidhya.
सर यस सर, वो मेरे नेट में
Your
शायद कुछ
side,
प्रॉब्लम हो गई.
networking problem. Which network you are having?
सर फाइबर नेट ही है, बट कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही होगी शायद.
Okay, what do? You are having router,
यस सर.
which whatever it is, just you reset it.
यस सर, आफ्टर द क्लास आई विल डू.
Okay. Now come to the point here. Which drive I have saved it? E drive, I think. So I will write E colon, and what was the name of the file? Sent.txt, and what I will write here, even I will not write R, by default the mode is read only. So RF is equals to open /send.txt R. Clear हो गया? And then
Sir,
what
D
I
में
am
क्या
doing
था
here,
शायद?
RF dot read, very simple. And this value I am storing in a variable, suppose S, and then I am printing it, print S, run, and you will get. Now what I told you is a better practice to close also. So even I have not closed, that's not cause any problem. So run module, okay. So I am giving the file name as your text one file, okay, text one, save. So what happens here? St. Paul Senior Secondary School is a co-ed school run by Dissection Society Ajmer in Kota city. It has 2 branches. Okay. Now I have made suppose some mistake here. So what I can do here, I can directly go to the text mode and I will change has, and then file save, and I'll come to the file again and I will rerun this program, and you can see that the changes, as whatever changes I have made here there, it appears here in the Python. So that's a facility which Python is having, Python language. That's why this language is very popular. I am not only going to teach you this file, text file, rather I will teach you binary file, that how we create a class, or through dictionary also I will teach you, and as well as I will teach you the CSV file, comma separated value file, and then at the end of the syllabus I will also teach you how to connect MySQL data, or how to read that data from SQL to your Python. That's a connectivity program which I will also teach you later. So till now I'll stop my class here. As I told you, 30 minutes we get here to teach you. It's a CBSE norms also has come. So if you have any problem, please ask me. Firstly, we were taking 40-45 minutes classes, but now I'll teach you 30 minutes period I have got. So I'm teaching you 30 minutes, and then you have any problem, you please ask me. Even Saturday we are having doubt classes. So that time also you can ask me. Okay.
Sir, which book are you referring right now? मतलब हम भी उससे अगर साथ
I'll tell
साथ
you
पढ़ते जाएंगे.
frankly, Sumita Arora just now I'm having in my hand here, because I get this book from the supplier. Okay, I'll tell you, this is a specimen book, I got it, but I don't think it's a very good book. Okay, so you have to focus on the notes which I am providing to you. You just focus to that only, the notes which I am giving to you.
Okay,
Got
sir.
it? I'll teach you
Yes,
as
sir.
per CBSE, and number of programs which I'll give you, it's not in the book also. So main point is how you develop your logic, how you should be able to write program. In examination, any type of question comes, you should be able to, you'll be able to write the answer for that. Okay? So any
Yes, sir.
question here you can ask. अगर clear किसी ने कुछ लिखा नहीं था तो एक बार और screen share कर दूं आपके लिए. और ये अभी मैंने इतना सा प्रोग्राम पढ़ा है, आप यही सोच रहे हो कि इतने से प्रोग्राम पढ़ाने के लिए सर हैज टेकन सो मच टाइम, बट एक्चुअली दिस आई हैव टू टीच यू, अदरवाइज फाइल कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा. इफ यू हैव नोटेड डाउन और स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया है तो मैं इसको स्टॉप कर रहा हूं. एनी डाउट यू प्लीज आस्क मी, एनी क्वेरी?
No, sir.
Okay, in next class I will teach you some more function of the read, and also I will teach you how to write file within Python editor only, within Python programming only, not in Notepad. Okay, but that file can also be opened in Notepad. Okay, so next class I will teach you more. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day ahead, take care, bye.
Thank you, sir.